Sex education for beginners can refer to a general overview of important information related to human sexuality, relationships, consent, safety, and health. Here's a simple breakdown of key topics commonly covered in a beginner-friendly sex education guide. 1. Understanding your body. Anatomy. Basic male and female reproductive anatomy, for example, penis, vulva, vagina, uterus, testicles. Puberty. Changes that occur during puberty, for example, hair growth, hormonal changes, menstruation, erections. 2. Consent. What is consent? Freely given, enthusiastic, informed, and reversible agreement to participate in any activity. Respect and boundaries. Understanding personal limits and respecting others. 3. Relationships and communication. Healthy versus unhealthy relationships. Mutual respect, trust, honesty versus manipulation or control. Communication skills. Being open, honest, and respectful when discussing feelings, wants, and boundaries. 4. Sexual orientation and gender identity. Sexual orientation. Who you are romantically or sexually attracted to. For example, heterosexual, bisexual, gay. Gender identity. A person's internal sense of being male, female, or somewhere in between. 5. Safe sex and protection. Contraception. Methods to prevent pregnancy, for example, condoms, birth control pills, IUDs. STI prevention. How to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, for example, using condoms, getting tested. 6. Pregnancy and reproduction. How pregnancy happens. Fertilization of an egg by a sperm. Pregnancy options, parenting, adoption, and abortion. 7. Myths and facts. Common myths debunked, for example, you can't get pregnant the first time, or STIs are always visible, closing parenthesis. 7. Myths and facts. Common myths debunked, for example, you can't get pregnant the first time, or STIs are always visible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, this video is uploaded for educational purposes only. This channel is here to help people understand sex education, to understand your body and the psychology of sex. This channel is here to help adults in relationships. We are here to educate and help single couples, married couples, and lovers to understand and stabilize their relationships.
For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. And remember to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out our next videos. Thank you for your support. You truly mean a lot to us.